I would like to welcome all of you to Mahadi English School. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As you all know that this is the class of Standard 1. Right now, we are learning subject Maths. Let's begin our class with a very beautiful thought. Thought for the day is, you have the power to create the world you want to see. What is the thought? You have the power to create the world you want to see. Okay? Let's enter to the world of maths. In maths, today we are going to learn subtraction. What we are going to learn today in subtraction? Learning objectives for today is simple subtraction, subtract using number strip, table of 5. So, are you all ready, my dear students? Ready to learn new things? Let's begin. Subtract the following. Sum is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means we have to cross out 3 objects out of given 5 objects. Let's do it. So, how many objects we have to cross out? 1, 2, 3. Now see, how many objects are remaining there? 1 and 2. So we can say that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Next sum is 1 minus 1. What I have to do now? I have to cross out given one object. Let's see what happens now. I don't have any remaining object. Then what will be the answer? So we can say that 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 minus 2. So what should we do now? Now you all become familiar with subtraction. We should cross out 2 objects out of given 4 objects. Count with me. 1, 2. Now see, how many objects are remaining there? Count it. 1, 2. So we can say that 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next is 5 minus 2. What does it mean by? We have to cross out 3 objects out of given 5 objects. Let's do it. Count with me. 1 and 2. Now count the remaining objects. 1, 2, 3. So we can say that 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next sum is 3 minus 1. Our sum is 3 minus 1. What does it mean by? We have to cross out one object out of given 3 objects. Let's do it. I have crossed one object. Subtract the following. Look, we have the example that if we want to make subtraction, we have to cut out or cross out the given numbers out of the number which we are having as a question, and then we have to find the remainder. Look, the sum is 6 minus 2. Cross out 2. 1 and 2. So, now count the remaining objects. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We can say that 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Sum is 8 minus 0. What is the sum? 8 minus 0. Now what should I do? Should I cross any object out of given? No, because I have the sum 8 minus 0 means I don't need to cross any object. So what will be the answer? The number itself. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 5 minus 2. I should cross 2 objects out of given 5 objects. Let's do it. 1, 2. Now see how many objects are remaining there. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1. That means I have to cross out one object out of given 4 objects. Let's do it. Here I have crossed one object. Now see what happens. There remains 1, 2, 3 objects. That means 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next is 7 minus 6. What does it mean by? I have to cross out 6 objects out of given 7. Let's do it. Start counting with me, my dear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see what happens. How many objects are remaining there? There remain only one object. That means 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Oh, look at that. We have the sum of subtraction. Have you seen? I have drawn palm print here. Why? So that it becomes helpful to us while counting the sums. Let's see. Look, our sum is 3 minus 2. Now you have to make practice with practical example with me. Look at your hand. Do you have the same fingerprints? Now count with me. Our sum is 3 minus 2. Count 3 fingertips. 1, 2 and 3. Done. Now we have to cross out 2. 1 and 2. See how many fingertips remaining? 1. Okay? So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next sum is 5 minus 1. Now see how can we solve it with the help of your own fingertips. You have to make practice with me right now. Start counting. Sum is 5 minus 1. So you have to count 5 fingertips first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop there. Now minus 1 means cross out 1 out of these 5 fingertips. Done? Now see how many fingertips are remaining there. Look at your hand, my dear. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Sum is 4 minus 3. What is the sum? 4 minus 3. So again look at your hands. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now cross out 3. Our sum is 4 minus 3. Cross out 3 out of that. 1, 2 and 3. Now see how many fingertips are remaining. It is 1. So we can say that 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next sum is 2 minus 1. Let's count it on your fingertips. You have to count with me, 1 and 2. Stop here. Done. Sum is 2 minus 1. Now cross out 1 out of that 1. Done. Look how many fingertips are remaining there. There remains only 1 fingertip. So what does it mean by? It means 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Understand? Let's make some more practice. Our sum is 4 minus 2. What is the sum? 4 minus 2. It means we have to count 4 fingertips. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop there. Now we have to cross out 2. 1 and 2. Now see how many fingertips are remaining there. It is 1 and 2. So we can say that 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next sum is 3 minus 1. What is the sum? The sum is 3 minus 1. What does it mean by? Now you all can understand. Start counting on your fingers, my dear. Count 3 fingertips. 1, 2 and 3. Stop. Now cross out 1 out of these 3 fingertips. So we can say that 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now see next. 6 minus 2. The sum is 6 minus 2. What should we do now? Look. Count 6 fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Cross out 2 out of these 6 fingertips. 1 and 2. Now see how many fingertips are remaining there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Next sum is 4 minus 1. The sum is 4 minus 1. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many fingers you have to cross out? Only 1. Now count how many fingertips are remaining there. 1, 2 and 3. So we can say that 4 minus 1 is equal to 1, 2 and 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 5 minus 3. The sum is 5 minus 3. So we have to count 5 fingertips first. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop there. Now the sum is 5 minus 3. So we have to cross out 3 out of this 5. 1, 2 and 3. Now see how many fingertips are remaining. Have you observed dear? How many fingertips are remaining? 1 and 2. So we can say that 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 6 minus 1. The sum is 6 minus 1. Count 6 fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The sum is 6 minus 1. So we have to cross out 1 out of these 6 fingertips. And now we have to count the remaining fingertips. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we can say that 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. The sum is 7 minus 2. The sum is 7 minus 2. So now start counting your fingertips with me. First of all, look at your hands. Have you observed? Now start counting. We have to count 7 fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now the sum is 7 minus 2. Means we have to cross out 2 out of this 7. Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2. Stop now. Now count the remaining fingertips. See? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Next is 6 minus 4. The sum is 6 minus 4. It means we have to count 6 fingertips first. Let's do it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what should we do? You all know very well. Would you like to do it by yourself? Huh? Let me help you. Start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see how many fingertips are remaining there. 1 and 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. As I told you in the starting of the lecture, that today we will learn subtract using number line. Subtract using number line. So first question is there, what is the number line? Look at here. This is called number line. We all are familiar with these while learning addition. We have already done add using number strip. Right now we are learning subtract using number strip or number line. So how can we make subtraction using this number line or number strip? Let's see. Our sum is 6 minus 1. So what we have to do? First of all, go on the number line and find out number 6. Look, this is number 6. Make a circle around it. Now we are going to make subtraction. What does it mean by? You have to move one step as 6 minus 1 backward or on the left side of the given number. Let's do it. Okay. By moving one step backward, we reach at number 5. So with the help of number line, I can say that 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Understand? Is it clear? Let's make some more practice so you can understand well. 8 minus 4. The sum is 8 minus 4. Go on given number line and find out number 8. Look, here is 8. So make circle around 8. Now I told you again that as we are going to make subtraction, keep this thing in your mind that you have to move backward or go left side on the given number. And our sum is 8 minus 4 means you have to move 4 steps backward. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We reach at number 4. So we can say that by watching this number line, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Look, the sum is 9 minus 6 is equal to what? Now look at the number line. Here we have the number line of numbers 0 to 20. What does it mean by, my dear students? That number line can be made up of infinite numbers. Okay? It is not made up only of 0 to 10 numbers. We can draw much more numbers after 20 also on the number line. Right now we have the number line only of 0 to 20 numbers. So let's solve the given sum with the help of this number line. The sum is 9 minus 6. So go on a number line, find out number 9. Look, where is 9? Here is number 9. Okay, stop there. Make a circle around 9. Now what should I do? Do you remember? Yes, I should move 6 steps backward or on the left side of given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Stop. Okay. Where we reach? We reach at number 3. By doing this sum with the help of number line, we can say that 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. The sum is 8 minus 2. Now you all understand well what should we do? First of all, go on given number line. Watch it carefully. Find out number 8, as our sum is 8 minus 2. So where is number 8? Look, here it is. Okay? Make a circle around 8. Now move 2 steps backward on the left side of 8. 1 and 2. Stop. Where do I reach? I reach at number 6. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Have you enjoyed, my dear? Today we have learned simple subtraction. Also subtract using number line or number strip. What time is it now? You all know very well, this is the time of reciting the table. So, would you like to recite the table with me? Shall I start the table? What I have said in the starting of lecture, which table we are going to recite today? Who remembers? No one? Let me tell you. Today we are going to learn or recite table of 5. Let's start the table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Say with me. Again. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Have you enjoyed the lecture? Make practice of these sums and table at your home. Do homework and make practice of each and every subject at your home. Stay safe. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. Don't trouble your mother. And in next lecture, I will come with more subtraction sums. How can we subtract double digit sums from single digit? Okay? Wait for the next lecture. We will inshallah meet in next lecture. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.